I'm replacing a White-Rodgers old thermostat for a new Honeywell. Where does the blue wire attach to?
Hello there. I'm Norman, but you can call me Norm. Let's see what I can do to get you some answers today. I'm ready to get started whenever you are. The blue wire is likely your common wire, and the new thermostat being battery powered will not require this new common wire. If you would like to give me the new thermostat model number, I can confirm that is the fact.
Honeywell RTH7600D.
Okay, thank you. Tell me about all the wires you have at the thermostat. How did you connect them? Did you cross-reference the old thermostat? Tell me the colors and to which terminal. So like. Red goes to RC and a jumper to RH, green goes to G. Also tell me what type of system you have. Heat pump with air handler indoors and heat strip, or conventional gas furnace with straight AC outdoor unit.
One red went around RC, then on to 4, green to G, white to W, blue didn't have a designation. House is all electric, no pumps. Heat and air at the same thermostat.
But you have an outdoor condensing unit?
Yes.
And did the old thermostat have a Y terminal?
Don't think so. I can look real fast if needed.
Yes, please do so. Also, does your outdoor unit normally run when heating, or is it all being done from the indoor unit?
All indoor unit for heat.
Okay, thank you. Let me know about that terminal.
No Y terminal, blue wire just doesn't have any letters or numbers.
Very odd. And you do not have a yellow wire? Is the indoor unit easy for you to get to and see the wire connections?
Sorry, my wife spotted the Y under the wire. It was bent where I didn't see it.
Okay, the Y goes to the Y terminal. So you will have red to RC with factory jumper to RH. Green to G. White to W. Yellow to Y. Blue can be capped off. If you killed power before you started, you should be able to turn it back on and have everything working. If you did not kill power, you may have to change a fuse.
Should I pull the yellow wire out of hole to use? It is not in use for the old thermostat.
That's weird. Let's go to the indoor unit and confirm one thing. IT may have been swapped out due to a break or something. Find where the wires come from the indoor unit and see where the yellow and blue wire connect.
Okay.
This will ensure we have the right connections.
Red goes to red. White goes to a white. Green goes to darker blue. Light blue from thermostat goes to the 2 wires leading to outside unit. Yellow goes nowhere.
So the 2 wires that go to the outdoor unit are both connected to the light blue wire at the thermostat. Are there more wires going to the outdoor unit?
Yes.
Yes, on which question? I'm wondering if there are more than one wire for the outdoor unit connected at the indoor air handler.
Looks like a brown wire from air conditioner to outside with a blue wire.
Okay, at the thermostat, connect the blue wire to Y and cap off the old yellow wire. Since it goes nowhere, then give it a try.
Okay.
Let me know how it goes.
Back to the red though, I should leave the jumper in because of one red wire.
Yes, you have a single 24V source, so you will need the jumper to power in both heat and AC mode.
Okay, thanks a lot.
Did it work?
Oh, I'm going to have to do it later. I need to go to a funeral. I was just trying to find out info while I was waiting. You have been a big help.
Okay, sounds good. Glad I could help. If you find that your questions have been answered, please remember to rate your experience 3 stars or higher so that I am credited with providing you great customer service. I'm very glad I could help you. If you ever need help in the future, please bookmark my personal link and visit me again. I'd be glad to help. http://www.justanswer.com/home-improvement/expert it's norm/.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.